Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 3 different job leads that do not require using your phone. It is all chat services, web-based, that all you have to do is pretty much data entry type work, but it is chat-based, so you'll be chatting with someone and helping them with their inquiries. I've been getting a lot of requests for these types of positions, so if you send me some requests, I'm gonna hear it and put it into the different videos so we find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. So definitely don't forget to hit the like button to help us with the YouTube algorithm to find more people just like you trying to find the best remote work from home job positions that are available for them. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified, so when these jobs come out, you'll be one of the first people applying for it, because sometimes they go by quick and I want you to get fast to those applications. So we're going to do everything in our power to give you the best jobs so you can find the one that's best for you. So like I mentioned before, we're going to have 3 different positions that we're going to be discussing today, and here's the first one. It's for the company Wayfair. They're looking for a work from home senior inbound chat service associate. It pays $17.85 an hour. This is a virtual position in the United States where you will work from your personal residence on a distraction-free space. Due to the needs of the business at this time, we're only hiring in the following time zones: MST and Pacific Standard Time. So what does a senior digital service associate do? Navigate technology efficiently. You should be able to proficiently navigate hardware and software, which is imperative to success in this role. You will rely on technology daily in order to do your work, and you should feel comfortable with continuous learning. Mastery of the written English language. Written communication will be your primary tool. You should have an unparalleled understanding of the English language and ability to convey empathy in all written formats. You will be expected to use your analytical skills to read, probe, and fully understand the needs of our customers to assess the best resolution to each unique problem. You should have the ability to handle multiple and concurrent contacts. This is a fast-paced and highly structured environment. Attention to detail will be crucial since you will not be speaking to customers by phone, only through written communication via our digital platforms, chat, email, and SMS. You read analytically and show empathy. You will work to understand relevant customer information and find the best ways to solve their problem quickly and thoroughly through written communication. You will reference policies and procedures to respond in a respectful and courteous manner when addressing customer inquiries, requests, or escalations. You demonstrate reliability, attendance, and commitment to being present for your full shift each day is crucial. This helps ensure we're ready and available to help our customers when they need us the most. For unexpected events or issues, we require our associates to be proactive in their communication and planning whenever possible. Meets our high performance bar. You'll work to exceed customer satisfaction, excel in meeting customer service efficiency, metrics, and other responsibilities as assigned. Our associates set and hold a high bar for themselves and own their own development plan by setting tangible goals, driving regular development conversations with their manager, and taking the initiatives to get appropriate feedback and support. Engages customers. You need a passion for people to create an exceptional experience by delivering effective support aligned with Wayfair values, principles, and standards. You represent Wayfairs and build trusting relationships with customers who contact us through our digital platforms. Topics can range from returns, replacements, delivery, product availability, order status, and more. De-escalate customer concerns. Most customer contacts us because they've had an order issue and need your help. You will use your conflict management skills to balance the needs of the customers with the options from the business while always maintaining professional composure in your communications. Problem solves. Solutions are a one-size-fits-all approach, and associates do not use pre-populated scripts. You will be given a level of autonomy to help customers find the right solution. You'll need to think analytically to solve customers' problems in a first contact resolution approach. Multitask. You'll need to navigate multiple browsers, tabs, tools, screens, and concurrent chats in order to quickly and effectively answer questions. The ideal digital service associate will be highly familiar with computers and can effectively navigate technology on a daily basis. Escalate systematic issues. You continuously look for areas of improvement and communication trends in customer contacts to leadership appropriate. What are the pay and benefits? Pay, hourly pay rate is $17.85. Cost of living adjustments could apply. Tenure pay increases starting as early as 6 months. Quarterly performance bonuses up to $2,200 and referral bonus $500 per eligible referral. Some of the benefits include health, vision, and dental insurances. Coverage starts on day 1. 401k with company match up to 4%. Paid time off, start accruing time immediately. 7 paid federal holidays and 1 floating holiday. Paid/unpaid parental leave options. Eligible tuition reimbursement up to $5,250. Wayfair employee discount. What are the requirements? Demonstrated proficiency in written English language, 1+ years in a call center environment or similar, digital or chat experience preferred, comfort in working with our customers internationally, ability to work shifts and training between the hours of 3 p.m. and 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You will be required to type 45 or more words per minute. You must be 18 years or older. You must hold a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent. You will be required to hardwire your computer to a modem with minimum internet speed of 25 Mbps. Comfortable working with a variety of systems and platforms simultaneously. A private and dedicated workspace free of distractions. Wayfair wants to ensure your success. This is why our training is 100% mandatory and we are unable to accommodate any misses, times off, or tardiness during this period. So if you want to apply for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 2 more job leads that are completely chat-based data entry type work. So stay tuned for those. And also don't forget to hit the like button to help us with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we find the best remote work from home job that are available for you. This next position is from the company Viking Cruises. They're looking for a web chat sales consultant. It pays up to $85,000 a year. We're seeking a highly motivated web sales agents to join our Woodland Hills sales team. In this position, you will handle inbound sales chats from customers, identify their needs, make recommendations, and close the sale while building lasting relationships. If you're motivated and driven to succeed, apply today and set sail from your career with Viking. This is 100% remote work from home opportunity. Position responsibilities. You'll handle inbound sales chats from consumers, identify their needs, make recommendations, review the benefits of a biking cruise, and close the sale. Make a follow-up outbound calls and provide additional information and overcome objections. Maintain individual and team sales goals. Adhere to set schedule. Position requirements. Candidate must work in one of these 22 states to be considered for this role: Alabama, Arkansas, Arizona, California, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Kentucky, Louisiana, Memphis, New Jersey, New York, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Texas, Utah, Wisconsin. Previous sales experience and a proven track record of success. Coachable, highly motivated, and driven to succeed. Excellent written communication, grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Excellent spoken communication. Good time management and multitasking skills. Ability to type 40 plus words per minute. Ability to work flexible schedules including evenings, weekends, and holidays. Customer focus with the goal to deliver a great experience. Preferred qualifications: previous call center experience, previous web chat experience, general knowledge of world geography, and college degree. Position technical and home office requirements: proficiency with basic computer applications and equipment, Microsoft Office products such as Excel, Outlook, and Word, web conference software, Zoom and Teams, Windows sounds and video settings, must be able to provide a distraction-free workplace environment, space for desktop computer with 2 or 3 monitors, stable power source and internet connection, dedicated high-speed internet, minimum 20 Mbps upload and internet connection. And some of the compensation and benefits will be paid training, excellent medical, dental, vision, life, and disability insurance benefit at a highly subsidized rate, 401k with company annual match, paid vacation, paid holidays, opportunity to take a free and or discounted Viking cruise, other travel discounts through IATA, discounted theater, theme park and movie tickets, employee wellness program, gym membership benefits. If you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have another job lead right here. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so you'll be subscribed to this channel every time we have the best remote position for you. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. This next job is from the company Whisker. They're looking for a customer experience chat specialist. Whisker, formerly known as Autopets, is the maker of Litter Robot, Feeder Robot, and Litterbox.com. At Whisker, we believe pet parenthood can always get better. As leading innovators in pet tech and refined pet accessories, we work tirelessly to solve problems and deliver smarter insights for pet parents while enriching the lives of pets. Whether it's self-cleaning litter boxes that automate scooping and automatic feeding that helps pets develop healthier and eating habits, or a modern cat tree that delights both humans and felines, we strive to deliver better solutions for consumers while transforming pet care along the way. To us, having a pet is the best thing ever. At Whisker, life together just keeps getting better. Whisker is based in Auburn Hills, Michigan, and Junior, Wisconsin, with 350 plus passionate team members. The full-time role is scheduled Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What you'll do: the Whisker chat specialist is empowered to provide phenomenal customer service via chat to pet parents worldwide. The product specialist will answer customer questions and troubleshoot technical procedures, product inquiries. You will leave a lasting impression by providing solutions in a quick, thoughtful, and memorable way. The chat specialists provide top-notch service to our Whiskers customers, utilizing knowledge of products, processes, and commonly used customer service concepts. The chat specialist communicates with Whiskers customers via internet-based chat technologies. Essential duties and responsibilities. You'll provide best-in-class customer service solutions and product information to our customers via chat. You'll manage inbound chats and customer communication within the outlined KPIs. You'll specialize in assisting customers troubleshooting their litter box, litter robot, and feeder robot. Offers customers technical support with our mobile app, including onboarding and connectivity concerns. Responsible for multiple concurrent chats while maintaining an average response time of 40 seconds. Active participate in weekly team meetings. Internal feedback. We look for our support team for insight into how customers feel about our products, what troubleshooting issues are trending, etc. Product improvements. You may be selected to work in our marketing and engineering teams to provide feedback on beta testing products development. Team collaboration. You will participate in devising unique solutions based on customer experience and how our products are used in their home environment all over the world. Will perform additional responsibilities when required. What you'll bring: a high school diploma, 3+ years of customer service experience, 2+ years of help desk, chat and core customer service, experience with data entry and order entry, experience in metrics-based work environment, excellent verbal, written, and interpersonal communication skills, responsive to feedback and action-oriented, ability to respond communication in a timely manner, ability to maintain a calm and professional demeanor under pressure, team player, flexibility, adaptability, and a desire to succeed are a must, ability to multitask and prioritize, strong computer skills including experience with Google Doc and Google Sheets or similar programs, maintains confidentiality of proprietary information, high degree of initiative, self-motivation, and ability to motivate others, ability to establish and maintain cooperative working relationships with team members and colleagues, flexibility to work hours outside of shift and overtime when necessary. Benefits and perks. Join a tenacious incentive company that empowers team members to chart their own path. Lead by grounding decisions in the why, and has a strong sense of empathy and openness to new perspectives. Be part of an exciting growth, work with incredible people, and create tomorrow's pet products. Plus a whole lot of extras. You will also be provided with premium medical, dental, vision insurance, life insurance, paid time off, 14 paid holidays, paid parental leave, 401k with 4% match, flexible work arrangements, and top-of-the-line equipment. If you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 3 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. In this channel, we're going to have multiple job leads every single day just for you. And all you have to do to keep up is first hit that like button to help us with the YouTube algorithm. Second, hit the subscribe button to be subscribed so you don't miss a single opportunity. And third, if you hit the notification bell, you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job positions that are available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.